Shawty, yeah, I been up in the motherfucking rain. Shawty, yeah, pull up on me and just give me brain. I been out here on my own, I'm going insane. Yeah, I really been out here, I'm just tryna stack my K. I just really been tryna come and stack my K. No, I can't fuck with no little fucking face. I already see a motherfucking snake a mile away. I see a fucking snake about a mile away. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right here with the homie Pons.
Getting down with the new radio.
Gonna install his shit. Just the radio he had before. It's pretty fire radio, but the shit wouldn't mount good. It wouldn't mount good. Obviously in the dash. So I thought it would fly out. You know, a couple wires came out, but yeah. Today is what, Tuesday? Today's Tuesday, so probably maybe like Friday or something, we're gonna put his door speakers on. We'll take you guys through that.
Friday for us, it's a couple days. Friday for y'all, maybe a couple seconds, you know, a couple minutes.
Couple minutes. Peep the fucking EN heating and cooling jacket for me. If you're in ABQ, you need some work done, AC wise, heater wise, anything wise, call us, let us know. We're the right man for the job. So this is pretty much how it goes, right? Obviously, you get your adapter harness that connects to the truck, which is right here. This little cable here. We're not really showing how to do it. We're gonna do it either way, though. You know. So you get your adapter harness. Boom, you connect them. Color to color. Oh yeah, you plug that motherfucker in. Obviously, test your radio, make sure it works.
Got a light in there, motherfucker.
These are the little, what are they called? The fucking...
they're like heat shrink butt connectors, something like that.
You clamp the wire in, heat up the little plastic so it grips the wire. There's no chance of it coming down, unlike the wire nuts. Got them at AutoZone.
Butt connect, heat shrink.
Nalga connectors for me.
And then again, I don't think y'all knew, but see this little wheel hub adapter, steering wheel, missing the center cap, but gotta go with that. So it's pretty clean. If y'all want to get anything like this, you can find the whole setup for your whip, car, anything, eBay. The brand that I got was NRG. You can actually get it from that actual company. And shit's pretty fire. Homie Gio needs to hop on for La Ramita. Slacking dirty. Gotta pack it with you always. Yes sir, porque. Sure. Don't mind that. Those are the two wires that came out. At first I was just trying to kind of mount this thing in there, but as you can see it didn't work. So first it was this one, then the ground wire came out. That's a little upgrade. And nothing major, some light. Headliner maybe one day, I don't know when. Hopefully someday I could get some double sunroofs. I'm gonna go make a GoFundMe page if y'all want to help the YouTube channel. You know, we could get some money in for some builds or to finish the builds. You know, just a couple $50 from anyone wouldn't be bad.
$1 from a million people, famous.
Yeah.
Fuck. Here, Punk, I think we both need to do this shit.
Bueno, guys, so we got them all hooked up already. Here they are. Got them plugged into the truck's harness. Just gotta plug this one in. Hopefully everything's wired up correctly. The power one I always had with the old one, they had constant power. I think on this one I could actually turn it off by itself, so we'll see. Not bad. I don't know. Fuck, it's not turning up. Sure.
Let's go.
Yep. So we're all good, guys. This one I can turn it off, not like that other one. that one over there. It was cool and all, but it's I don't know. There's a couple stuff that were a little wonky on it. I didn't like. I mean, first of all, you can't really mess with the bass and shit. You couldn't turn it off, so it was always on. I had to unplug it. That's part of the reason why this fucking harness got all fucked up. But now we're just gonna put it back in there, hook up the system, test it out. Put the radio in, test it, works pretty good. We're about to connect Joe's iPad, the one he has on his truck. Now, last time we were making the vids, you know, we ain't got shit, but now got a little baby here. Been a good 2 years. She's right here with Tio Giovanni.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's a tablet. Yes.
Damn, son.
Yes, sir. That's what we're trying to go for. Yeah. Should be liking this quick release. Let's go for a drive, baby.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, but no, yeah, guys. I got the radio in. Sometime this week, probably Friday. I don't know. We're gonna try to put the door speakers. Got the door speakers inside. I'll probably show them here in a bit, but we're gonna try to put that sometime this week because my speakers are blown. Well, I think only one works. So hopefully it'll sound better. But shit. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll be back for that video. A little update, you know, a couple days. Stay tuned. Yeah. Hold on. Y'all hear that shit? Play that shit, bet.
I said sheesh.
Quick
pussy boy, bitch, we
FYI,
I'm outside.
this one right here singing.
Pull up with my AK.
Put your ear on the speaker real quick.
I said sheesh.
That's the homie Jill.
With me. She didn't wanna
Sir.
fuck on me. Sheesh.
Shit, and the homie gets down with some songs. He's got quite a bit. He's gonna be putting them out. We've been telling him for a couple years, no más que no se caso. But homie gets down, shit. Y'all fuck with it, let us know. And there's plenty more for y'all to listen to, so shit, let us know.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, guys, so we're back to installing these speakers. We're about on the last 2 doors. It took about 2 months. Man, the gang on top. We fucking lost, but it's all good, feel me? Pac woke up pissed today. I don't know why. He woke up camera shy.
This is my first time, you know, I've never been on camera.
Day, feel me? Gotta move this motherfucker around for camera guy. Sheesh. There it goes, guys. They all work. Everything works cherry. Sheesh. Let's go. Feel me?
But yeah, guys, so like I said, that'll be it. Shit, stay tuned for the next video.
Appreciate you guys watching. Feel
We'll
me?
be back. Shit.
Be back with some more vids.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes,
feel me?
sir.